So here's how to join private servers in Roblox. So first you want to open your browser and then head to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. And then you want to click on the settings icon, then click settings. And then you want to click on privacy and content restrictions, and then click on visibility and private servers. Now click on private servers, and then you will need to change this from friends to everyone, and that should give you the required permissions for people to invite you to their private servers. And then you'll need to make sure your friend or friends have invited you to the server that you want to join. Now to check that, you want to go back to the Roblox default page, and for example, if they have if your friends invited you to this experience, for example this one, you want to click on it and then click on the servers section. Now under private servers, if you have an invite from your friends, you should see it pending here, so you can accept it and join. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.